My name is Eric William El Pinebro and my group mate is Cyril Maranga. We discuss about compartmentation and how this affect watertight integrity. Introduction. Compartmentation refers to dividing a ship hull into separate watertight sections using bulkhead, deck, and watertight doors. This is a fundamental principle in naval architecture and maritime safety. How compartmentation works. Ships are split into multiple enclosed ships by watertight bulkheads, vertical walls, and decks. Each compartment is designed to limit the spread of water in the hull is damaged. Opening doors, hatch, pipes are fitted with watertight closure to maintain separation. Effect on watertight integrity. Watertight integrity means the ship's ability to prevent water from entering and spreading within the vessel. Compartmentation directly affects this in several key ways. Number 1. Limit flooding. If one compartment is breached, collision or grounding, water is confined to that space instead of flooding the entire ship.
Improves survivability. Ships are designed to remain afloat even if one or more compartments are flooded, called damage stability. So, ang barko kanang gidesign jud bisag naay guba ang isa ka compartment, mulutaw gihapon. Maintain stability. Compartmentation reduce the free flow of water, helping maintain balance. So, ang mutawag tag maintain stability, dapat kanang ang atong mga karga kay balanse pirmi. Og unsa kabugaton ang karga, i-balance sa sa ballast tank. Maintain reserve buoyancy. Waterline integrity relies on reserve buoyancy, the volume of the enclosed watertight space above the waterline. Compartmentation ensure that if one part of the ship is submerged, the remaining intact air-filled compartments provide enough upward force to keep the vessel afloat. So, protected boundaries. Compartmentation creates physical boundaries that must be maintained to ensure integrity.